Hey guys, so today we are going to test this Qwen3.6 35B active 3 billion parameters from Unsloth. As you can see on the screen, this is only 12.29 gigabytes large and it is running locally on my machine, completely free, completely local. Let's see how it goes. First, let's see how fast it is. We're just gonna access through the llama.cpp screen. Make me a Python game. Make me a Python snake game. And this is just to see how fast it is. So it's running now. It's averaging around 89 tokens per second. I have a RTX 5090. So for speed, the answer is it's running at 89 tokens per second. So for this next test, this was actually something I did before recording this video. I asked it to make a Mario game using Python. So I'm sharing the terminal window for Claude Code right now. And just to show you, so this was my original prompt: make me a Mario game in the C temp folder. And this is what the steps that the model took. There were some errors, but I'll show you the finished product in a few seconds. So at the end, it actually was successful. It did create the py file and a bat file, so it's easy for me to double click and launch that game. I'll show you the game now. So right now we are in the temp folder of my C drive, and this is the Play Mario bat file. Let's double click it. Sorry, it just opened up in another window, but these are the terminals for that. So it is working. It's not as polished as the Mario game, but it's not meant to be. This is just a one-shot prompt, and the fact that it was able to do something or make something work the first time is very impressive. So let me just run it again. I wasn't able to focus as I was recording or talking to the mic. So let's try to play this game seriously. Okay. Guys, it is working. It's good. And this is good output. Good job. Okay, so for this next test, let's see how good it is with images. So I'm going to attach a very detailed infographic, and let's see if we can actually see the image and describe it. Please describe this image. Oh my, it's correct. So this is an educational infographic detailing information about the Amur Leopard. It is designed with a mix of realistic photography and stylus. I won't read through everything here, but so what I want you to do, guys, is just have a quick look through this, just a few seconds, and in a moment I'm going to show you the actual image, so you can judge for yourself it actually got it right. A map, thick winter coat, the diet on the bottom left, the threats on the bottom right, statistics on the bottom bar, and the conclusion why it matters. Let's go to the image now. Okay guys, so this is the actual image, and what the model said earlier, it is spot on. I am very impressed. The habitat, the diet, the threats, why it matters. It's doing an amazing job. It's funny because I don't think the Qwen3.6 27B performed as well, but maybe there was something funny with my settings. I might do another video for a redemption of that model, but yeah, for this model 35B A3B, it's very good so far. Okay, and for this last and final test, let's see if it can create a very humanized SEO blog. So let's type write me a 3,000 word extremely humanized and SEO optimized blog about the crypto Cardano. Now it's analyzing the request, and there you go. So for other models, I've noticed the opening intro of the blog, it always starts with something generic like in this fast-paced world or something like that, but I like the first opening here. So you've heard the word, you've seen the ticker symbol, that it sounds humanized to me. Just going through the output, it looks very good. Apologies, I lied. That was actually not the last test. I think I want to try it on Pi. So I'm just launching my bat file now. Oops, sorry, an update's needed. Let's just wait for a few seconds for the update to finish. Now the update is done. So we were doing 3.6 active 3B, the Qwen3.6 model. So that's option 18 in my launcher. I'm gonna enable thinking mode, port 8001. Now it's launching Pi. Okay, cool. So it looks like it's loaded now. I'm gonna ask it to make me a stunning landing page in C/pi_test. Use 3JS or whatever you think is required. I just want you to wow me. Cool, it just made the directory. Now it's doing the HTML file. I think I'm just gonna pause recording. This might take a while. Actually, it finished faster than I thought. Let's go back to the terminal. Yep, so I'm not gonna read it out, just read it out yourself, but this is the summary of what it's done. And if we go back to the actual finished page, damn, it's pretty good. Pretty good. It's fast and it actually delivers. And mind you, this is the first output. I don't like to cherry pick results. And if ever there are errors, it would be easy to just go back to Pi and talk to it and tell it what to fix, right? But it's pretty fast and it's pretty good. And I think I'm just gonna wrap it up for this video. So to summarize, this model is very capable. It performed way better than I expected. And if this helps, please consider subscribing, sharing, leaving a comment, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.